just an H. Very good. See, just like I did right there. Okay, now I want you to flip it until you get 15 times. Okay, and write down what you get. Write down what you get. Stop to write down what you get. Okay, you got a heads. Very good. Okay, you got a head again. You got a tail. Very good. Head. All right. Now you're rolling. Okay. Tail. All right. Good. You got a head. Right. Okay. Keep going. Got a tail. Very good. Got a head. Very good. All right. Keep going. We're almost there. A head. Very good. All right. Tail. Nice. Okay, keep going. Head. All right. See what you get. Head again. All right, two more. You're almost there. Head, very good. And last one. Tail. Okay. So I want you to count. How many times did you get a head? Count the agent. 10 heads. All right. How many times did you get a tail?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got it 5. All right. So now we got to ask ourselves, what's the probability that we're going to get a head when we flip this? Okay. How many total did you get on heads? 10. So what's the probability that we're going to get this? You put the number you have over how many total? How many total do we have here? 15. So do you see your probability when you flip it to get a heads is 10 out of 15. Okay? We got to do the same thing with the tails. What about the tails? How many times do you get tails? 5 out of how many total?
10.
Out of how many total?
15.
15. Very good. That makes sense to you? Okay, very good. All right, let's move to the next one. The next one, we're going to take the dice, and you're going to roll it 15 times. And whatever number you come up with, you record that number. Okay? So you got a 3 the first time. All right, you got a 3. All right, roll it again. You got a 5. Okay? Okay, good job. You doing great. Got a 1. Good. 5. Good job. 5. All right. 4. Good. 2. Nice. 6. All right, keep it going. 5. Okay. 6. All right. 6. Okay. 3. 3. 2. And the last one is 1. So, how many 1s did we get? Let's count them real quick. 1, 2. How many 2s did we get? 1, 2. You got the same?
Yeah.
Okay, how many 3s did you get?
1, 2, 3.
3 3s, very good. How many 4s did we get? I see 1, am I right?
Yeah.
Yep. How many 5s did we get?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, we got 4 5s, very good. And how many 6s?
2.
Okay,
3.
3? You sure?
Yeah.
All right. So let's look at the 1s. How many 1s? 2?
2.
Out of how many times?
15.
15. That's our probability, right? So would you agree this? Would you say 2 out of 15 is likely or unlikely that we're going to get the 2?
Likely.
You think that's likely? It's a small number, okay? It's close to 0, so that one's probably unlikely. What about 4 out of 15? Okay, for the 5s, would you say it's more likely to get a 5 or a 2?
5.
A 5. That's very good. So you understand this? Any questions? Okay. Well, let's move on. You did a great job with that one. All right, now, what I'm going to have you do, right? We have an activity here. I'm gonna pull it up on here. I'm gonna take away this. You can hold on to that until the end of the lesson. You've been doing a great job so far. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is, we have an activity. I'm gonna get to work today with M&Ms. And you know what? If you do good, you might even get to eat them. All right, so let's look at this. I will give you a bag of M&Ms. Actually, I'll give you 2 bags of M&Ms, so you'll have enough. I want you to empty this bag. I want you to open it up and empty it on a paper plate. Okay, for the whole bag. All right, you understand? Okay. Okay, let me open this the right way. Let me get these scissors right here to help me out. Okay. Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to put 6 brown M&Ms and 4 yellow M&Ms in the bag. Okay? So like I just said, 6 brown and 4 yellow. Okay? 6 brown, 4 yellow. That makes sense to you? 4 yellow, 6 brown. That's how you're gonna do this. This is the first bag we use. Okay? You got it? You there? Almost. Take your time. I want you to get it right. Okay, so you got your 6 brown. What about your 4 yellow? Are they in the bag? Let's see how many you have here. Yeah, your 6 brown and your 4 yellow. Good. Good job. So now, we're gonna ask ourselves, we gotta think about this. We're gonna put on our thinking caps today, right? And we're gonna use them. We're not just gonna leave them on the side today. What is the probability of pulling a brown M&M? You don't even have to pull to figure this out. How many brown M&Ms are in the bag?
6.
So, would you say we can pull 6? And how many total M&Ms are in this bag? How many total M&Ms did you put in this bag? Well, let's add them up. You know, how you figure out total? You do what? You add. What is 6 plus 4?
9.
Close. 6, then you can touch math. 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's 6 plus 4? 10. Very good. All right, you understand that? So what is the probability of pulling a brown M&M? 6 out of how many total? 10. Very good. So now I want you to look at this, and you do, what's the probability